While the fuck y'all making whack rap? I make Edgar Allan poetry and only scream witty on a track so they know it's me. I'm looking at this freshman girl like you a hoe to be. I probably shouldn't think so cold, but y'all been cold to me. My old girls that can't seem to stop talking about me. My new girls are telling me that they can't live without me. Ooh, girl, now stop lying through your teeth. You see the next guy you meet, you'll leave and love him like me. A beast just off of my leash, a chief just mine is a keep. I got no time for y'all hoes, I pay no mind to a tweet. I pay no mind to a text, I'm feeling like I'm up next. You all a bunch of real pussies, guess that makes me a sex.